Welcome and thank you for using KCL Web. In this video we will demonstrate two special functions of the InsinkErator families. One, water heaters, placing a faucet and then the heater underneath, and two, disposers, picking and prompting for voltage and the adapter cone. Starting with an existing bar sink, we're going to add a hot water dispenser. Let's start KCL. Let's start typing InsinkErator. And we can go down and select the C1300 hot water dispenser. Select the Revit, load into Revit button. You'll see a new window comes up and it has default faucet and default water heater. So go ahead and select Send to Revit. And first it loads up the faucet, which you can place about right there. And then you'll notice that it keeps the faucet selected. So you're going to have to escape twice. Companion symbol found. Please select, or please place one instance of the heater. Hit OK. And there's your heater outline indicating it's below cabinet level. So we're going to snap that right there. And then in this example, I'm going to actually tag these. Okay, so then if we look at that in elevation, you'll see you've got the faucet and you've got the heater. We'll just line these up here while we're at it. Okay, so and then in 3D, looks like that. And then you can have your example sheet. Shows you the 3D, the elevation, and the plan view. And then you'll notice I've included a schedule which gives you the power requirements for the heater and the water requirements. In this next example, let's place a disposer into a scrapping table. So opening KCL, we're going to pick the InSync SS100. So it's, notice how in the Revit window it says configurable, click icon. So we do that. Now it gives us some choices. So we can configure it. In this case it's a 1-horse motor, but it has different voltage options. So we're going to select 208 3-phase. We're going to add an optional water connection, and we're going to select the 15-inch bowl. So you do those, go to the bottom, send to Revit. Notice you say here optional post-processing. So this will only happen once per session, but it's just telling you that you've got an optional configuration and that will appear after you complete the insertion of the family. So go ahead and hit OK. We're going to center this up on the drain like so. Do a quick tag if we can catch it. Sometimes you have to zoom in just enough to get it right. So in front view, it's going to kind of look like this. You can select the disposer itself and adjust it for height in your dish table. It's a little bit high there, so we're going to kind of get it in the right spot. One more. Then in 3D view, looks like returning to our plan view, we will add a disposer control. In this case, we're going to add an AS101. Load into Revit. Go ahead and place it. Tag it. Jumping to our sheet view, you can see we have the 3D, the elevation. Let's activate that real quick. We're going to tag our disposer control. And we have our plan view, and we have our schedule with soil dish table, disposer, disposer cone, and control panel with the utilities as required. Please check out our other KCL Web tutorial videos. At KCL, we always welcome your comments and feedback.